ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕಲಿ ನಾನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಈ ಥರ ಸ್ಟಾಫು ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ.
We checked into this resort 3 days back. We thought so 4 days to spend here. It's very like how it will be if it is getting really very boring or what. So, but all 3 days were very engaging and very relaxing. So we had joyful experience here. All staff here are very friendly and always approachable. So very much helping and very much hospitable. So we did all the adventurous activities like zip line, cycling, especially with my son. He's 3-year-old now. Initially, we were scared how to carry him and do all those adventurous activities, but the staff ensured all the safety measures are taken and everything is safe here. So we did that. So finally, it's one of the best experience we had. Also, my wife was initially she was afraid to do cycling and zip line, but even though it's her first time, she really enjoyed it. So thanks a lot for all the staff here, and especially the night walk, the plantation walk. It's very nice actually with that lantern. ಸೊ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ದು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಜನ್ರೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಟನ್ ಇವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಯಂಗರ್ ಜನ್ರೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ಆಯಿತು ಲ್ಯಾಂಟನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅದೊಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯೆನ್ಸು. ಸ್ಪಾ ಆಗಲಿ ವೆರಿ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪಾ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಪಾಂಡ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಾವು ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವತ್ತು ರೈನ್ ಬಂತು, ಬಟ್ ಓಕೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಎ ಕೊರಾಕಲ್ ರೈಡ್, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. Trekking was amazing actually. So we had a very little one with this toddler, 3-year-old. We thought we could not make it, but somehow we did that. We accomplished it. Staff ensured that even though my wife could not complete the trekking, but staff were with her all the time, and she was taking care of all of us very well. Overall, it was a very fun-packed. We are carrying a lot of memories from here. We have made a lot of friends also. So thanks a lot. And one suggestion I would like to add here, I know it's a pet-friendly resort, but please refrain allowing the pets inside the restaurant and cafeteria area. So because we feel sometimes uncomfortable when the pets are around, especially when they're drooling all around. That's one advice I would like to add. Otherwise, overall, it's a very fantabulous experience.
Thank you.
ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಈ ರೆಸಾರ್ಟ್ಗೆ. ನನಗೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ. ನನಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನೂ ಹೇಳಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಸ್ಕೆಪ್ಟಿಕಲ್, ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಏನೋ ಎತ್ತ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ಲಿ ಅ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. ಇದು ಹೊಸ ಪ್ರಪಂಚ ಥರನೇ. ಅಂದರೆ